The 20-quart air fryer oven by Gluck is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 10 functions, including frying, baking, roasting, and more, making it an excellent space-saving solution. Its powerful 1800-watt heating element and 360-degree hot air circulation technology ensure food is cooked evenly with a crispy exterior and juicy interior. This air fryer comes with an impressive array of 11 accessories, such as a rotating basket and dehydrating racks, which enhance its functionality and make cooking a variety of dishes convenient. The generous 20-quart capacity makes it perfect for families or entertaining, allowing you to easily cook whole chickens or large meals without hassle. The user-friendly LED digital touchscreen and built-in countdown timer make it accessible for beginners, ensuring meals are cooked to perfection with minimal effort. Offering a 1-year warranty, this air fryer provides peace of mind and support, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in its durability and quality.